Hey, good evening, Civics. Just wanted to give an update concerning the assignment 9.1 North Carolina State Local Government. What you're going to do is click on these websites, and most of them should be working properly. Like when you click on it, it should take you to North Carolina Council of State. This one, I believe, was working as well. Um, yeah, so executive branch for North Carolina. The only ones that I saw that were not working, this one right here, which is North Carolina General Assembly, the Constitution, and that one said that it had an error. So if it shows that it has an error, then one thing that you can do as you're searching is you can kind of come up, start looking. Here's the general statutes. Here's the North Carolina Constitution. So if I'm not mistaken, it was asking me what powers does the North Carolina governor have regarding. Notice that Article 3. So I can go here. I can click on North Carolina Constitution. And when I click on it, it takes me to Article 3, Executive Branch. And then when I click on that, Governor, Lieutenant Governor, election terms, qualifications, succession, duties. Oh, I think that's probably something you're looking at. The other one that I noticed that you might be having some problems with, as far as the House of Reps, this one should work okay. I'm just going through this with you. Yeah, that comes up talking about the legislature, the House, and I think it was redistricting. So determine what district Moore County is in. So there's an example for Moore County. It's not Bladen because we've talked about Bladen. So find out what Moore County is in. So you should be able to click on that. And here's one referring to statutes. This one might have an error also. If it does, once again, general statutes, table of contents. So if you click on this, it takes you to the table of contents. Go back to my questions. The 5 types of laws that can be addressed by the General Assembly. So when you come in, looking right here, you can see that the general statutes, which is pretty much all of the laws that are available for the government of North Carolina, and you'll just continue to scroll down here, something about motor vehicles if you want to know why you have to pay taxes, different issues concerning your car. You've got landowner liability, State Fair Housing Act, Vacation Rental Act. So there's all this stuff that is here, divorce, minors, adoptions. So it's pretty interesting if you're interested about marriage. What are the laws concerning marriage? You can find that information there. So, and I can keep on going on and on and on. But when you start looking at the general statutes and the way that it comes out, this is basically what everything refers to North Carolina General Assembly. So you probably want to know, okay, but what are the 5 types of statutes that can be addressed by the General Assembly? Well, if you can't find all the time that you're looking for, do some Google search. See if you can find it out that way without going through the statutes. So hopefully those were the only ones that I saw that you had, that we were having some issues with. If I go down to this one right here, this is a case that you're going to be looking at concerning the Leonardo case that we discussed. So you can find some information also as relates to school discipline, suspensions, and that aspect. So hopefully this gives you just a little extra guidance. I was just looking, I know I went through this in the other session. So hopefully that helps. As always, reach out to me if you got any questions. Thanks a lot.